Using Mytraffic truly allowed us to complement our existing field expertise by providing solid support and refining it with concrete, quantifiable data. L'Occitane en Provence is a company that was born in Haute-Provence, and it started by distilling essential oils and selling them in Provençal markets. My name is Anahita. I am the RGM Manager for the EMEA region. My role involves supporting our directors in the formulation of strategy, the optimization of distribution, our product assortment, pricing, promotions, and the search for new clients. My primary objective is to successfully identify new opportunities to achieve greater growth and to optimize our profit margins. Before using Mytraffic, there was a level of confidence that could be somewhat lower concerning the estimation of sales figures for specific retail projects. When we were comparing two different locations, it relied heavily on instinct and on the experience of our real estate managers. Being able to support this on-the-ground expertise with data truly allows us to be much more confident about launching a project. It's really this level of confidence and reassurance that Mytraffic has provided us. One of the use cases we had with Mytraffic is this store you see here at 3 Route des France Bourgeois, which we were able to open last summer thanks to Mytraffic's data. We were able to build an accurate P&L projection with the entire revenue estimation line all using Mytraffic. The first piece of data that I find extremely useful is the annual footfall volume for a specific location. This really provides the foundational potential for a specific address, allowing us to conduct a detailed site selection study, and I then compare these specific volumes with other retail stores that we currently operate. This lets me calculate an accurate capture rate for this footfall. The second feature I find extremely useful is the heat map. It's become my go-to for pitching internally. You can show a heat map to stakeholders and it speaks to everyone. It allows us to assess the flow density and visitor behavior at any given address in seconds. I recommend Mytraffic to other retailers because it has really changed the confidence level for our expansion projects. We're now able to accurately project our revenue using various different key indicators. I think it's truly a tool that is very, very easy to use, so I can only highly recommend it.